What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. So in today's video, what I want to do is I want to give you kind of a beginner's guide to starting an eBay home business. Now, what so many people think when it comes to eBay is there's so many steps, there's so many things to do. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Not only how to set up your business, okay? So create an eBay and a PayPal account. Next thing I'm going to show you is how you go and find the products, how you list the products and see if they're even worth any money on eBay. I'm going to show you that. I'm also going to show you how I go and ship the products. I'll even package up one of the items that I have to ship out today. I'll package it up for you right here, right now, so you can see exactly how it's done. So if you're ready, first smash that thumbs up button and then let's go. So the very first thing you must do before you start selling on eBay, which you've probably already done, is you have to create an eBay account. It doesn't matter if you're buying or selling, you need an account. So you already see my name's already up there. I'm already logged in. But if you don't have an eBay account, go create one. They're absolutely free and you can start selling right now. The next thing you need after you have an eBay account, you need a PayPal account. All right. So go to paypal.com and go and sign up. Okay. Click the button, sign up. When you sign up, it's going to ask you want a personal account or a business account. Easiest one to do, personal. Okay, do a personal account so that you can start collecting money right away. One of the things I've noticed from a lot of people is they're very skeptical about collecting payments through PayPal and anywhere online. That is where the world is going, is more online payments, not necessarily giving cash, writing a check. It's not doing that anymore. So because of that, you need to kind of get with the times. Create a PayPal account. If you don't have one, again, it's absolutely free. Create one, start accepting some money. Okay, it's a great way to either pay something or get paid through PayPal. So if you don't have one, get one now. Now, once you have an eBay account, once you have a PayPal account, you're probably excited, you're eager to get going. What's the next thing you do? Well, you need to go find some products. Okay, I have a product here that I'm going to show you in just a second, but if you don't have anything to sell, you've gone through your closet, you've gone through your basement, your attic, and your garage, you've asked friends and family, and they don't have anything. Okay, you have nothing. Okay, or you've sold it already. The next step, the next logical step is either go to yard sales or go to thrift stores. In my opinion, you're going to have better luck. You're going to make more money from a thrift store. All right. If you don't know what to buy, you're not sure exactly how to go and scour a thrift store for the most profitable products, I'll put a guide down in the description box below. I'll put a link down there. Okay, it's called Thrift Store Profits. Go check it out. Okay, if you want to. If not, no big deal. Just keep watching the video. All right. So I go into a thrift store and I find this product. Okay, and I see it's the Brady Bunch 500-piece puzzle. Cool. Is it worth anything? How do I check? There's two ways you can check. First off, you can check on the computer. But if you're at the thrift store, obviously you don't have that. Probably got your cell phone. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the eBay app. Okay, go to search. It's going to look something like that. Okay, now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the name of the product. The Brady Bunch 500-piece puzzle. Here we go. And it's going to look something like that. Okay, hopefully you can see it. Now, next thing I'm going to do is there's a button up on the top that says filter. You probably can't really see it, but I'm going to click on that button, scroll down. I'm going to show you how to do it on the computer in a second. Scroll down where it says sold listings. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to click on sold listings. Click done. Next thing you'll see, the numbers turn green. Hopefully you can see that. So what that tells me is what items have actually sold, and what the price was that they sold for. Okay, so that's what I do there. Let me do it on the computer. Okay, first thing I do is I come to eBay, go to advanced, and then I'm going to put in all the information here. Now I've already done that, but I go to sold listings, I click new or used depending on the condition, and I put it in right here. The Brady Bunch 500-piece puzzle, click search. Okay, there it is. There's my product. Right? Yep, that's my product. Cool. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see, okay, what are these selling for? All right, this one sold a couple weeks ago for $12.50. Okay, you can kind of see 12. That's not it. There's $10.75. This was a while ago. So if it's a while ago, I'd go something a little more recent. Obviously, this one a couple days ago sold for $11. Okay. So what I'm going to do, this one sold for $12.35. What I'm going to do, I'm thinking this one will probably go for $11.99, right? $11.99. As long as the picture's good, listing's good, everything's good. So I already got the price, $11.99. Okay. This item right here, next thing I would do is I'd click on sell one like this. So I'm going to go open up a new tab. Okay. And so why that opens it up, the reason why I always open up in a new tab is because if I ever want to come back and see what was it selling for, what was there, I can do that here. Okay. So here it is. The Brady Bunch 500-piece puzzle, Hawaii bound, new, sealed. Okay. I'd make that a little bit nicer, something like that. Okay. And now I'm going to take this whole thing, I'm going to copy it. This is your listing page right here. Okay. I like where it's in the category. Toys and hobbies, puzzles, contemporary puzzles, jigsaw. Cool. Let me keep it there. New condition. I am not going to add any photos. Okay. And if I did it correctly and I did sell one like this, I'm going to take that exact listing and it's going to put all that information from that listing back in here. I will paste that. And if you don't know how to create a listing, how to create a description, I show that over inside Thrift Store Profit, so you can check it out there. But then I'm going to put my description here, okay? And then I'm going to add more info here, okay? Last thing I do is this item ships next business day. Okay, there we go. I always add that to the bottom of my listings. And I just do that because it kind of, says, okay, this item's going to ship tomorrow. Next business day, that's tomorrow. Okay. Format, I'm going to do fixed price. Buy it now, I'm going to do $11.95. I know I said $11.99. I don't like to do $99. Buy it now price, I'm going to do $11.20, or the accept offers, $11.25. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to come down here. And for shipping, I'm going to do flat rate for everybody. Okay, free shipping. There we go. Okay, come all the way down. I don't do any returns, and I don't do any what else? And I don't promote it. Okay, usually I don't promote these. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Most cases I don't. All right. Then I'm gonna click Save as Draft. So the reason why I click Save as Draft and not List, I do not want to publish that, and I do not want to add pictures yet. The reason why is I'm going to go and take my phone, okay? I'm going to open up the camera. I'm going to take pictures on my phone, all right? And so what I would do is I'd go to eBay. I'd click on the little selling button in the right-hand corner. Click on my product. Okay, and it's going to look something like this. Okay, hopefully you can see that. And now I'm going to click that button, that plus button, so now I can take a picture and click on camera. Okay, so now my camera is open. I can go take a picture of the product. Obviously, I'm not going to be holding the product and doing this inside or for my actual photo. Okay. Okay, so I have my photo. There it is. Okay, yep, upload it. Click done. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, where it says list your item. And I'm going to hit list. Okay. For the sake of this, I'm actually not going to sell this product because this was actually something that I was selling on Amazon. But for the sake of this video, I've shown you based off this product. Here's the next step. Okay. Let's say this product sells. Okay. So product sells. So now what you need to do is you have to ship the item. But how do you do it? Here's how. All right. So my item sold. Yippee! I made some money. Cool. Now here's what I do. The first thing I want to do is I need to weigh the product. So right here, it's actually an Under Armour shirt that I sold just the other day. So I'm actually going to ship this one, okay? So this item, I'd go and I'd weigh it on my scale, okay? Hopefully you have a small scale, not just, a big, one that weighs, humans. A little one. I'll put a link to the shipping scale that I like to use. I'll put a link to that down in the description box below so you can check that out as well. But this item right here, it actually weighs 5.9 ounces. So I'm just going to put 6. And hit update. Anything under 16 ounces, you do not have to put dimensions. Okay, so I'd hit USPS first class package because that is the cheapest one. I do not want to pay $8 for shipping for this product. Okay, and then I'd hit purchase and print label. All right, so once I do that, it's going to allow me to head over to the page where I can print the label. So once I've printed the label, okay, have the label right here. Now, once I've printed the label, what I normally do, okay, for the sake of this video again, I print it out on a full sheet of paper. The reason why is because I print all my labels on a thermal label printer, which is like a $200 printer. You don't need it. You can do it on basic printer paper just like this, and then we can cut it out and we can tape it to the product. So I'm going to put that there. I'm going to take my Under Armour shirt that I've already weighed, put it in this, I think it's a 8x11 poly bag. I'm going to take this item, stick it in here, just like this. Okay. I'm going to pull the little seal. My item, okay, good to go. There it is. It's wrapped, okay, good to go. Next thing I'm going to do, so being that I didn't print it on my thermal printer, I'm actually going to take this, cut out the label. Doesn't need to be really fancy, just has to be on there. Not very good at this, being that this isn't something that I do. Don't cut out labels on a daily basis. Okay, got my label. There we go. Take my label. Wow, that tape's loud. Okay, I'm going to put my tape. Put my tape on this product. If you guys have recommendations for good tape, let me know. Because this from Tape King, not good. Tape it on my product. There we go. Good to go. In the box it goes and out the door. That's it. And then I'm done shipping that product. So that is really it. You create an eBay account. You create a PayPal account. Next thing you do, go and find a product. Just like I did. Find a product that you can sell. Again, obviously I didn't sell this one, okay? But you get the point. Find a product you can sell. If you need help, go and check out Thrift Store Profits. I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can go check it out. On top of that, okay, you need to list the products that you find, okay? Big mistake a lot of people make. They buy the products, cool, and they're excited, okay, that's going to make me like 25 bucks, awesome, oh, I'm finding this other one, that's going to make me like $50, so you spend all this money, okay, you're in it a couple $100, you spend this money, even if you're not in a couple hundred, you're in it your time. You need to list the products. List them on eBay. It takes minutes, okay? Here's the reason why I do not take pictures, send them over my computer, and list it on that. Because it just doesn't make sense, okay? Yeah, a higher quality picture, does it sell better? No, it doesn't, okay? People do not care about the highest quality picture. And besides, most of the iPhones now, and even the Android phones, the Notes and the Galaxy, all that stuff, they take professional quality pictures. So get out your iPhone, get out your phone, take a picture through the eBay app, list it just like that, you're good to go, okay? Now, I do all my shipping from my computer, obviously. I don't know if you can even ship from a phone. I've never tried it, never done it, okay? So, if you're ready to make money on eBay, first thing I recommend, create an account, okay? You have to have one. It's absolutely free. You got nothing to lose. Create an account, okay? You're going to need it. Next thing, go and find some products. Hit up the thrift store, hit up yard sales, ask your friends and family, look through your garage, look through your attic, look through your closet, look through your cupboard if you have to. Find products that you can sell and you can start making some money. So, if you guys have any questions, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and you like the step-by-step, more complete beginner's guides for how to make money online, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.